Have you ever received your basic income? That's right. That's what basic income is. Basic income, what you already know of. Alaska in the United States has been paying basic income since 1982. It created a fund from oil revenues and has distributed the fund profits to all residents. Why do they give people money for nothing? Why do we need basic income? 3 reasons why we need basic income. 1. Income inequality is getting worse. In 1980, the income share of the top 1% in the U.S. accounted for only half that of the bottom 50%. However, the number turned around between 1995 and 1996, and in 2015, the income share of the top 1% became a lot higher than that of the bottom 50%. What about Korea? Income polarization deepened due to the Asian financial crisis in 1997, and the income share of the top 10% surpassed 50% of the total. The income share of the top 1% sharply increased. What is the secret behind the rise in income of the top earners? It is unearned income such as dividends and interest. These unearned incomes should be taxed in order to finance basic income. Many people feel uncomfortable about taxes, but the tax-to-GDP ratio of Korea ranks only 31st among the 36 OECD member states. We can give about $250 to all people every month as basic income if we raise the tax-to-GDP ratio to the OECD average. After all, the issue of basic income is not about financing, but about determination. 3 reasons why we need basic income. 2. We are living in an era of big data platform. Here is a ranking of the market capitalization of global companies. Excluding Aramco, an oil company of Saudi Arabia, what do you think is common among all the others? They are all platform companies. A platform company makes large profits by using big data. However, they are not paying taxes properly because there is no proper taxation method. The monopoly of platform companies is becoming worse. We can tell from the fact that the market share of Google in the search engine market is 94% as of 2019. They must be properly taxed, and the revenue must be used as basic income. 3 reasons why we need basic income. 3. Jobs are disappearing due to the 4th Industrial Revolution. The Future of Jobs report from the Davos Forum 2016. It was stated that within the next 5 years, 7.1 million jobs will disappear in major developed and emerging countries. Even the Korea Employment Information Service announced in 2019 that by 2025, the number of at-risk employees will reach 17.4 million, or 70% of the total number of the employed. Shall we take a look at a chart showing the change in the labor income share? As people's jobs are decreasing due to automation, the labor income share of traditional industries is declining as well. Wait! Please pay attention to the labor income share of all industries. Why does this chart show a steeper decline? It is because the creation of intellectual property is included. Intellectual property creation refers to what platform companies do, which is not producing goods like the traditional manufacturing industry. According to the Korea Development Institute, if physical capital increases by 1%, the labor income share increases by 0.13 percent point. But if intellectual capital increases by 1%, the labor income share decreases by 0.01 percent point. Such a change in the industrial structure due to the 4th Industrial Revolution leads to decreases in employment and thus a reduction in labor income share. The Korea Development Institute stated that as the knowledge economy, including AI, big data, and IoT is growing, the gap between capital income and labor income must be complemented through ex post and indirect policies. One of such policies is basic income. The future is approaching. Let's make people's lives more livable. The answer lies in basic income. This is why basic income is not an option, but a necessity.